size gloves.
I'm not tripping. Are you tripping?
One trip back.
No.
Turn, done.
Who's tripping?
Not wasting
Jack
money in
Joe.
the store with these guys. Just do it.
Shoes, you have to do it. I mean,
Tractor.
Spencer's
I'm
tripping?
saying you ought to look at shoes.
Are you tripping?
Just
Um,
something that much better.
I'm tripping. I'm not tripping. The cops are tripping.
I'm not tripping. Are you tripping?
everybody home
No.
and then we'll go.
Who's
We're
tripping?
not
The
even-
cops.
I'm not. I got other stuff
Yeah.
I've got to do. I've got
Cops.
stuff that's due by tomorrow, by 12.
What about me?
Sloan? I'm not tripping. Are you tripping?
You want to
No.
go back out with the kids? That's fine.
I know who's tripping. Sonia's.
Is Sonia tripping?
No.
Okay.
Jack.
So what are you
Joe.
doing? So you're
Spencer's-
going to your mom's house?
Joe tripping.
Sloan's tripping.
I'm not tripping. Tracy's tripping.
I'm not tripping. Spencer's tripping.
Um,
Well, are you going
I'm
right
not
back out, or
tripping.
you just gonna